Imagine waking up tomorrow and seeing money hit your account, even though you didn't sell a product, didn't run ads, didn't build a store. Sounds crazy, right? But it's happening. And today, I'll show you how. With nothing but Google's AI and a little creativity. Here's the wild part. You don't even need an audience. You don't need followers. You don't need expensive tools. All you need is free AI. The same AI Google itself uses. So why not let it make you money, instead of only making Google money? That's the opportunity. And we're diving in right now. Watch till the end, for the tool that made me $100. Seriously, $100 from thin air. With no product to sell. I'll show you exactly how. But let's start here. Why is Google AI the secret? Because it solves 3 problems. Problem 1. Creating content. Problem 2. Getting attention. Problem 3. Making it look good. Google AI covers all 3. And that's where the money is. Quick question for you. What's the hardest part of making money online? Most people say, traffic. Others say, products. Others say, tech. The truth? It's all of the above, unless you have AI. Let me prove it. Step 1. Find a hungry niche. Not a crowded one. A hungry one. Think. People asking questions, but not finding good answers. That's where you step in. And Google AI does the work. You just feed it the question, and it spits out the answer. Not just any answer. A structured, clean, SEO-ready article. With headings, bullets, examples, and FAQs. It's content you'd pay hundreds for. Created in seconds, for free. That's trick number 1. Trick number 2 is sneaky. Instead of letting that article sit, you turn it into a video. Using Pictory AI. Paste the text. Choose visuals. Let the AI narrate. And boom! You've got a YouTube-ready video. No camera needed. Why video? Because YouTube is Google's playground. Google owns YouTube. That means videos rank faster. Videos get recommended. Videos get shared. Videos make ad revenue. And videos build trust. All from one AI article. Recycled into endless formats. Now imagine doing this daily. One AI article. One AI video. One upload. Every single day. That's 30 pieces in a month. Even if just one pops, that's traffic forever. Traffic equals revenue. Revenue equals freedom. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Now let's get into trick number 3. Automating traffic. Because posting once is good, but posting smart is better. Here's how you do it. Take your article. Extract 5 quotes. Turn each into a short. Upload them as YouTube shorts. Same AI content. Different format. Different reach. Shorts get crazy traffic. Google pushes them. Viewers binge them. And you multiply your exposure. From one piece of work. That's leverage. That's smart automation. Still wondering if it works? Let me show you proof. I tested this. With a random topic. 0 followers. No ads. No hype. And within a day, I made $100. On autopilot. That's the power. Not hustling harder. Not burning out. Just building smarter. With AI doing the heavy lifting. Here's what most people get wrong. They treat AI like a toy, but it's a money machine. When you feed it the right prompts, and direct it to the right niches. The AI writes. The AI talks. The AI edits. You just guide it. That's your role. So let's talk prompts. Because a weak prompt equals weak results. But a strong prompt equals money in your pocket. Here's an example. Write a 1,500 word article on topic. Make it conversational. Add 5 FAQs. Format with clear headings. Done. The AI does the rest. It's like having a writer on payroll. But free. Forever. Okay, let's recap the system. Step 1. AI writes your content. Step 2. Pictory turns it into a video. Step 3. Upload to YouTube. Step 4. Repurpose into shorts. Step 5. Repeat daily. That's it. Simple. Scalable. Powerful. Now, maybe you're skeptical. Maybe you're thinking, won't Google block this? Here's the truth. Google doesn't block useful content. It blocks spam. If your AI content solves problems, Google rewards it. Simple as that. So stop overthinking. And start publishing. Another objection I hear is this. What if my niche is too crowded? Here's the secret. No niche is too crowded. If you focus on questions, people are always asking new questions. AI answers them instantly, and you capture the traffic, over and over. That's the loop. By now, you see the picture. Google AI is free leverage. Pictory AI is free publishing. Together, they're unstoppable. And you can do this today. Not next week. Not next year. Today. That's how fast this works. That's how fast you win. So here's your action step. Right after this video, pick a niche. Use the prompt. Generate your first article. Drop it into Pictory. Create your first video. And upload it. That's it. Don't wait. Just act. Because the earlier you start, the sooner you win. Every day you delay, someone else takes your spot. And you'll wish you started now. So start now. Even if it's imperfect. Even if you're nervous. Even if you're unsure. Just hit publish. Your future self will thank you. Your wallet will thank you. And your time freedom will thank you, because you planted the seed today, and it grows tomorrow. So here's the final truth. You don't need a product. You don't need clients. You don't need ads. You just need the system. Google AI plus Pictory. That's it. That's the play. And you can run it now. Without excuses. If you're ready, smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel. And click the bell. Because I drop AI money tools every week. Tools that keep you ahead. Tools that others don't know yet. And tools that actually pay. Don't miss the next one. It might be the one you need most. Tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. Seriously, don't miss it, because it's bigger than today's. And it'll blow your mind. Drop a comment. Tell me which niche you'll start with. Health? Tech? Finance? Gaming? I want to know. And I'll help you refine it. Because community matters. We win together. We learn together. We earn together. See you in the next video.